Are you a very experienced learner, or are you nearly test ready but need to sort out a couple of issues first? Banish the driving demons and get on the road quickly with PassMeFast's 10-hour course. This course could be perfect for you if you've recently taken a test that didn't go to plan and want to figure out what went wrong. It's also ideal for learners who want guidance on 1 or 2 areas of driving. This course is typically taken over 2 to 4 days and includes 9 hours of tuition with a local, experienced DVSA approved instructor, plus a practical test, which we'll book at a time, date and test centre to suit you. We'll even fast track your test, meaning it will take place weeks or even months ahead of normal waiting times. This means that you could get your licence in just weeks after booking. Our courses are flexible and can fit around your schedule. You can even personalise your course by taking it in an automatic car, adding on a theory test, or including special requirements. Simply book online or over the phone, and we will do the hard work for you.